Elective 2 Sericulture. Structure of silkworm. The diagram of silkworm with its body parts: head, thoracic legs on the thorax, an abdomen with abdominal legs, caudal horn and caudal legs, and with a number of spiracles on their abdominal segments. Structure of silkworm larva. Bombyx mori. The larva contains three parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Newly hatched larva is black or dark brown in color, densely covered with bristles, and looks like a caterpillar. The skin is elastic, chitinous cuticle with spiracles, tubercle, and setae. Head. Head consists of 6 segments fused together with a cranium. Second, fourth, fifth, and sixth segments carry appendages. The appendages modified into antennae, mandibles, maxillae, and labium respectively. Median epicranial suture is well developed and prominent. Mouth parts of silkworm larva. The mouth parts contains a pair of antennae are present with jointed segments and used for sensory purpose. 6 pairs of ocelli or larval eyes are present. The mandibles are well developed and powerful. The mandibles adapted for mastication. The maxillae on the ventral side of the mouth consists of cardo, stipes, maxillary lobe, and maxillary palpi. Maxillary lobe and maxillary pulp discriminated the taste of food. The labium is located ventrally, carrying thick-sized, lightly chitinized mentum. The prementum carries a median process or spinneret, through which silk is expelled from the silk gland. Thorax. The thorax consists of 3 body segments. They are prothorax, mesothorax, and metathorax. The 3 thoracic segments carries ventrally 3 pairs of legs, each comprising in turn 3 jointed segments. These are the true legs, which are conical in shape and carry sharp distal claws. These claws are not used for crawling but for holding mulberry leaves while feeding. All the silkworm larvae that show body larval markings carry the so-called eye spot on the dorsal side of the mesothorax. Abdomen. The abdomen is comprised of 11 body segments, although only 9 segments can be distinguished as the last 3 are fused together to form the apparent 9th segment. The anal plate and caudal legs are present. The 3rd and 6th last segments each bear a pair of abdominal legs which are fleshy, unjointed, and muscular protuberances at the extremity that form a sort of disc with a series of books inwardly curved and arranged in a semicircle. On the dorsal side of the 8th abdominal segment, the larva carries the caudal horn. The abdominal segments carry the sexual markings which develop distinctly in the 4th and 5th instars in the 8th and 9th segments on the ventral side. In the female, the sexual markings appears as a pair of milky white spots in each of the 8th and 9th segments. The pair of glands in the 8th segment is known as Ishvata's foreglands. The pair of glands in the 9th segment is known as Ishvata's hindglands. In the male, a small milky white body at the center of the ventral side between 8th and 9th segment. There are 9 pairs of spiracles placed laterally on the either side of the body. They are found in the first thoracic and first 8 abdominal segments. These are the breathing or respiration pores. The last one, the sexual dimorphism diagram is shown in the PowerPoint. Thank you. இப்போ பேசுனது டவுன்லோட் ஆகுதுன்னு வருது. எக்ஸ் ரெக்கார்டரில் எப்படியோ பவர் பாயிண்டில் போய் ஓப்பன் பண்ணிட்டேன்.